And all of a sudden, I woke up, I sat up, smelling, and I'm like, wow, I do smell smoke. And I could see like amber in the door, and I opened the door very little because I knew better to open it wide. So I opened the door, and there was a fire. We were all rushing out of the house. My two boys, they were trying to put it out with the hose, but it just was exploding in there from, I guess, gas and paint that we had. I was just numb. I just couldn't. I said, is this really happening? Am I dreaming? You know, my home, everything that we lived for, is all my memories were gone. Everything was exploding. What are we going to do? You know, we're not young. I just did, all these emotions were going through me. We had called several different contractors. They were just overpriced. We didn't know where to turn. So we had gone to my daughter's. We were still looking, and my daughter was looking on the internet. So then my daughter says, Ma, I don't know if you want to give this company a call. It's called Two Builders. And she says, and they do for fire and water damage and all this. Maybe just give them a call to see, you know. I called them, and I spoke to this nice man. His name is Aaron. And he says, I'll meet you there. I said, really, today? He says, yes, I'll meet you there. We talked, and he says, we can rebuild your house for this amount of money. And I'm like, no way. We had to go to the office and meet Isaac, the owner, and we all sat around the table, and he says, I will do this, and it won't cost me a dime. I just couldn't believe it. I was like, whoa, you know, we're doing exactly the way it was. We'll have some upgrades that you didn't have before. And I was really blessed. We were blessed to find Two Builders. I got to go in the office, and I got to pick everything that I wanted, you know, from different ones, not just one thing. They had me, there might be like 7 pieces of floor, 7 types of countertops. So it was like, and they made it so easy, and they had colors for me to choose from. It was like, wow, that was exciting for me, because I just couldn't believe that I was going to get this, because not from all the other contractors. I walked in the door, and I just started crying because it was so beautiful. The kitchen was like the colors I wanted, everything. It was better than before. I mean, the flooring, I got all the stainless steel refrigerator, everything I wanted. The cabinets were upgraded. It was just so, so beautiful and warm. It was a warm feeling that they made it warm. They made it like home again. And then Isaac came. He had, I think, like 5 albums of pictures, memories that they had cleaned them and put them in kind of like in order. They took their time and it had to take a lot of time. It took their time to put each one in the folder. Just everything was brand new. I have a brand new home now, a brand new home for the rest of my life. And Two Builders made it happen.